TEREX is an American manufacturer of lifting and material handling products. You've got your aerial work platforms and then your material processing. So in the aerial work platforms, they would do products like your boom lifts and your scissor lifts and light towers. So in that we would develop like screeners, crushers, conveyors, all sort of products that would add value to the materials by crushing them down, grading them and washing them. As manufacturing engineers, we're basically the link between design and production. So we want to make sure that design or creating a product that is designed for manufacture, but also at the same time that we can build it. When I was doing my A-levels, I suppose like everyone, I didn't really have an exact idea where I was thinking of going. So I kind of did what I think everyone should do, and I went out and got myself some work experience. So I went and got a 2-week summer placement with the Southwest College, where I was working in the CREST Centre and the InnoTech Centre. So they basically focus on like your renewable engineering and sustainable technologies. So when I was up there, instantly fell in love with it, knew this was the path I wanted to go down. So I went and studied in Ulster University and done clean technology. So it's basically a multidisciplinary approach where you would study like mechanical, electrical and renewable modules. I think when a lot of people think of manufacturing, they think of like the monotony of it, like working on the assembly line, doing the same task over and over again. But manufacturing is not like that in today's society. Like there's such a variety of paths and career roads, and it really opens up a lot of opportunities. So I haven't exactly decided where I want to go, but I do have a few visions. So I think sales would be one of them. And I believe like you become the best salesperson by knowing the product inside and out. And being on the production line definitely gives you an edge in that side of things. But ideally in about 10 years, I'd like to hope I'm in a leadership role of some sort, and I like motivating people and bringing the team together. So I think there's a real sense of like achievement and accomplishment when you can do that hard task. To be honest, manufacturing engineering was never really something that was suggested to me. And I suppose when you're younger, women are maybe more inclined to be suggested to go down other traditional roles instead of like challenging the gender stereotypes that there is in this society. One thing that I actually really loved about TEREX was that we have a Women at TEREX initiative, and it really promotes gender diversity and equality in the workforce. There's so much potential, and because women are so underrepresented, companies are demanding them. They want that diversity. We have such potential here to go further, and I definitely seen engineering as nearly a challenge. Like my two older brothers done it, and I was like, I know I'm capable of that, and I wanted to do that and prove to myself that, you know, it's an equal world, we can all do the same job. So yeah, I would definitely recommend it. Is that okay?
Yeah, yeah, absolutely. Yeah. Okay.